Hi guys, Terry here. Today I got my shipment of, this is from the Annie's Quilt Club. So I got the last one, I think it was early last month, and it had batik fabrics and a pattern to make a like a quilt purse. So let's see what's in this month's. I'm hoping I like the fabrics better because on their website the fabrics were beautiful. So I don't know how they decide what to send out, but that is very pretty. Snow placemats and napkins. Those are pretty. Let's see here. I signed up because I wanted it to be something that was a project each month and kind of made me make something out of it. Isn't that pretty? Look at that fabric. That is beautiful. So it's got deer, a couple different deer ones. So pretty. Snowflakes. Oh, and then look at the plaid. And then those, very pretty. And then it's got the directions for making. It says pocket mug rugs. It says they're 10 inches by 8 inches. Very cute. So pretty. So I like it. So this is a company out of Texas, and I'll have links on the website to it. And I hope it gave you a little bit of information about their kits. Really pretty. I think it's about $30. But yeah, these fabrics are just beautiful. So I will talk to you guys later. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I like to bring you tips about monthly kits and scrapbooking and card making, and give you all kinds of information. So subscribe so you see the next video. Thanks, guys.